So when we talk about PSU banks, we definitely do not get the idea that it will be a huge multi-bagger. Okay, because we know that they are slow moving and they do not give much returns that the investors actually keep looking for. And would you believe that if a stock like Union Bank has hit its all-time high 15 years back, would you believe that? Yes, the all-time high of this stock is around 428, which hit in October 2010, and it has been 2026 now. So almost, although not 16 years exactly, but 15 plus years. Okay, and since that time, it has fallen by 95%. Would you believe that? From 428 to it came down to a low of only 23 rupees. It hit that level in 2020 COVID crash. But after that, we got to see a shift in the trend of this stock, and not only this stock, many PSU bank stock, and then they kept becoming a multi-bagger again and again. So if they are already multi-bagger, why are we discussing it right now? Because once a stock becomes a multi-bagger does not mean the returns won't multiply in future. Okay, it does not mean that it will stay there because it's already multi-bagger. No, it keeps going up as long as the fundamentals are good, it is doing good business. So today we are going to check that about Union Bank. We are completely going to focus on the price action of this stock, and I will show you why this stock could be giving good returns. Although you should be very careful that do not expect high multi-bagger returns from this stock because it's a PSU bank, and obviously their market cap is already very high. Okay, so keeping that in mind, if you are looking for a stable investment, then you can consider it. But keep in mind that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational video to help you make better investment and trading decisions. Okay, so with that said, let me quickly take you to the screen so that we can get to see this stock for real. Okay. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. Okay, so this is Union Bank of India, and we can see the monthly time frame price action here. So let me first show you some basic things. Here you can see it hit a all time high in October 2010, 427.95, so almost 428. Then it kept crashing and came down to a low of almost 22.90, so almost 95% crash in 10 years. Okay, 2010 to 2020, 95% crash. So let me know if you have heard a stock falling by that amount from its all-time high. Apart from this stock, I think even Yes Bank didn't fall that much. Maybe. Okay, we have to check, but we are going to focus on Union Bank today. So it came down by 95%, and then you can see the stock starting to go up, and it has already given 650% return in till July 2024. So let's dig deeper. So when we zoom into the current price action of Union Bank, we are getting to see one strong move. And also if I switch to weekly time frame, you can see the cup with handle pattern. Okay, this is the cup with handle pattern. The neckline has been broken and now it is starting to show some more strength. But how do we know that it has the bullish momentum that the investors keep looking for, so that the stock will give good return? So checking the momentum indicators, we get to see that the stock is actually now trading above the zero line in MACD. Also we can see the crossover here. Okay, so it has been consolidating for a long time. Now it is again starting to show some strength. Okay, and you can see the momentum here. Here also you can see the momentum above 60 in RSI. Now when we go to the weekly time frame and again go to the momentum indicators, we are still getting to see the same thing. Okay, it is trading above zero. Already there is a crossover here and it is slowly going up. Okay, now again zooming into daily time frame, what do we see? So we can see that the stock has actually given another breakout here. Okay, when we draw a trend line, let me draw a proper trend line. Okay, connecting these 2 points, we can see it has given a breakout, and checking the volume is also good for the breakouts. Okay, then it is consolidating here after a good move. Now when we zoom into the momentum indicators in daily time frame, we can clearly see the sign of consolidation. It is consolidating and it will consolidate like this. That is what I feel. Now talking about the moving average support, if we use the 50 EMA, we can see the stock use the 50 EMA as support multiple times, then it jumped up sharply. So I believe the stock to consolidate like this, and by that time the moving average would have reached here, and then touching that, if it shows a bounce again, then definitely it is going to continue the uptrend. That is what we can conclude about Union Bank of India. Okay, and currently it is trading at 165. The all time high, as I have shown, is around 428. So definitely if the momentum stays strong, it could reach that level, trade there maybe for a few weeks or months, and then if the fundamentals are good, it is doing good business, then it will form a new all time high. But we have a long time for that, so do not think about that. Think about it as a stable investment, but please do your own proper research about this stock, fundamental analysis, everything, because this is just the price action side to time your entries well, but fundamentals matters the most. Without that, the stock cannot sustain, okay, and cannot give return. So that is all about Union Bank. I just wanted to highlight the price action, the strong momentum that it is building in higher time frames like this in monthly, so that if you are interested in investing in PSU bank, then definitely you can look into this one. Okay, so if you like this analysis, please hit the like button, share it with other people, and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you want more such videos like this. And if you are already a subscriber, then consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord, and you can ask your queries. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.